Hey guys, welcome out to the range. Today I wanted to do a video that's been 31 years in the making. Now I know someone's going to go, what? Alright, let me explain. I am now 49. When I was 18 years old, I got my first pair of contacts and glasses. It wasn't until I was 18 that I realized that my vision actually required me to have correction, because I'd started driving at night and was finding that I was having all kinds of weird, just odd things happening. And had an eye exam and realized, oh, I can't see at night. Okay. At the time, I knew that I had issues with contacts. They never wanted to sit right in my eyes. I don't know where vision science was then, but in the following years I learned that I have astigmatism in both eyes. It's just the eye is not smooth all the way around, so what you end up with is aberrations that don't allow light to travel through the eye the way it should, and that also translates to contact lenses not wanting to sit on the eye the way they should. So astigmatism contacts are essentially weighted so that they rest to the 6 o'clock position. For me, they never really wanted to rest there, so my entire adult life I've been doing this to try to get my contacts, specifically in my left eye, to sit where it should. Why am I covering all of this? Well, I had LASIK eye surgery 1 week today, and it has quite literally changed my life. That's why I'm doing this video. In the last week, I have been trying to quantify, for friends and family, I've been trying to quantify. Remember, vision is a very subjective thing. And well, actually, that leads me to my first point. Vision is a very subjective thing, and when you're talking about seeking out laser vision correction, which is myriad different things, PRK, LASIK, there are varying levels. Just within those two disciplines, there are varying levels of correction that can be done. There is a risk and benefit asymmetry. Because when you're talking about your vision, your eyes, when you're talking about your eyes, there's a risk-benefit asymmetry there. Meaning, if you are price shopping, then sure, you're going to get a great deal, but you may not get the person doing your vision that really should be doing your vision. And so for me, about a month ago or so, I was one more time sitting down to start work, and I thought, yay, here comes the next 10 hours of struggling to get my contacts to stick properly, to see my monitor, and just, I'd had my fill of it. So on the spot, I entered LASIK LASIK Chattanooga, and it pulled up Woolfson Eye Institute. There are two things that immediately stood out to me. Well, three technically. Initially, it says something to the tune of, this is going to change your life, or something like that. The second one was that they've done about 100,000 eyes to date. And the third one was that they are quickly closing in on 400 eye doctors who have come to them for their laser vision correction. With all honesty, that's the one that caught my attention more than anything else. If you're an eye doctor, whether you're a specialist, whether you're any level of eye doctor, the point is, if you are an eye doctor and you've gone to Woolfson Eye Institute to have your laser vision correction done, that tells me everything I need to know. That's not counting all the other physicians. I'm just talking about eye doctors that have come to Woolfson. So at that point, I picked up the phone, gave them a call. Amanda was kind enough to set me up with an appointment. I came in, had my appointment. And you meet with different people in the office, and they go through a comprehensive exam and do all kinds of different things to make sure that you're a good candidate for whichever one of the things that you're trying to get done. I'm trying to be as vague as I can, because they do multiple different disciplines at Woolfson Eye Institute, which is why it is Eye Institute, not just LASIK. My surgery was 1 week ago today, August 3rd at 10:33 in the morning. My life changed forever. And I suddenly remembered that initial thing on the home page. Yeah, it really does change your life. It changes your life for the better. Once that surgery is done, your life is changed forever. When you go into the pre-op room the day of surgery, there's a gentleman in there named David who is just making you laugh. And I don't know if anyone else noticed it, but I realized he's essentially the opening act. And it's his job to get you engaged, to keep you mentally active, talking with other people, laughing, relaxing, because what they don't need you getting is all jocked up and all excited and crazy, anxiety. They are so frank with you at Woolfson Eye Institute about what you're going to experience, what to expect before, during, and after. There are a series of follow-up visits that are done with either them or your eye doctor, and they're all rolled into the price. Actually, I'll address the price now. The cost is not inexpensive. It is several $1,000s. And it is now, I can absolutely say this, it is money well invested. Not money well spent, money well invested. You guys know enough of me to know I'm not a wealthy man. I drive an 11-year-old Toyota, okay, so I'm not a wealthy man. I invested this money because it needed to be done, and I'm so glad that I did it. All the follow-up visits that are required, I want to say there are 4 or 5 follow-up visits over immediate, 1 week, 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, and I forget what the other ones are, but it spans all the way out to 1 year. All your follow-ups are actually rolled into the cost. So when you take that into account, pre-op, day of, post-exams, everything is covered in the one cost. Guys, that matters. That really matters. Woolfson Eye Institute understands that they're dealing with a clientele that is not price shopping. They're dealing with a clientele that is there for the quality of the service, and you're going to get quality of service and quality of treatment. You go into the surgical chamber, and Dr. Woolfson is all business. And I mean that in a good way, because when you're talking about surgery, I used to be a surgical assistant, so I understand how the surgical environment should work. When I went in, that is exactly what I saw, and I was so pleased to see it. It is name, date of birth, what are we doing today? Guys, as a surgical assistant many years ago, we would literally get patients that would write this leg, not this leg, with Sharpie marker. So what Woolfson Eye Institute is doing is they're verifying, what are we doing today? You give your name, last name, first name, date of birth, what are we doing today? And I said, LASIK surgery for distance on both eyes. And he said, very good, sir. And then we got started. And guys, from beginning to end, it was 90 seconds, up, look at the clock across the room. Holy crap, I can see the clock. Guys, wow, I could see the clock across the room. This is a massive moment in your life. Everything has now changed for the better. I went home. I didn't do what they asked me to do. This is what I'm going to say to you now. Please, when you have this done, go home. Take a nap. Folks, had I just gone home and taken the nap that they tell you to take, I would have woken up a new man that much sooner, 3 hours sooner than what I did. Because that afternoon when I woke up from my nap, I remember opening my eyes, and I napped with my protective caps on. They're caps that you put over your eyes and tape. I woke up and I looked out the window and I saw trees in the distance that I had never seen clearly, even with my contacts in or my glasses. And then I realized that my vision didn't stop there. I could now look further past the trees to the hills in the distance that were so far away they were purple, and I could see the individual branches along the ridge line of the hill. And my brain didn't understand what was going on, and also the clarity all the way to the edges of the periphery were phenomenal. Remember, guys, peripheral vision isn't just left to right. It's actually periphery. It's a 360. It's a massive sphere of vision. The laser corrects all the aberrations of the eye all the way to the edges, everything. So my peripheral vision, as I'm standing here talking to you, I can clearly see everything on my sides, clearly, not clear here, but kind of fuzzy on the edges. It's perfectly clear. Remember, I'm 49, and I now have 20/10 vision. I don't really know what my 20 comparison was then, but what I do know is my visual acuity was about right there. That's all I had. And with my contacts out, this is all I had for depth of field. This is all I could see. And with this, I saw a double image of everything I looked at because of my astigmatism. The next day when I woke up and went in for my 24-hour exam, my vision was stupid. And Dr. Rosenthal from Pearl Vision at Hamilton Place Boulevard, there, Hamilton Place Mall, Chattanooga, has been my doctor for years. And he and I quite literally laughed our way through the exam. He just kept saying, "That's phenomenal, Abner," because he just kept dialing things smaller and smaller. I got to the point where I read the smallest line he had on the eye exam chart, and I said, go to the next one. He says, "Abner, that's the last one I've got." I said, "Oh, okay." So I looked at the numbers on the top of the monitor that I was looking at across the room. I looked at the numbers on the top of the monitor, and I started looking at the cross slots on the screws holding the wall plates to the light switches. I hope that you've gotten the sense. Those of you that have been watching me for a long time, I've not hidden visual issues that come with age. I've had several videos where I've covered these issues. As a firearms instructor, I teach primarily close quarters combat. So what you're dealing with is threats that are sometimes as close as you and I are to threats that are 60 yards away, which is the one up there on the hill. I have to be able to rapidly track a target and hit it and demonstrate to my student how that technique is supposed to be done. I now have the ability to very rapidly track my sights. So working out, tactical shooting, CQC, precision shooting, long range, everything has been increased. But from a more basic standpoint, for what does it equate to for your life? Because if you've stumbled on this video and you're not a shooter, how does this equate to your life? Okay, I was a stay-at-home dad. When my children were infants, I was a stay-at-home father. Long story, but I'm actually glad that I did that because it gave me a reference to understand the plight of the stay-at-home mom. You have the ability to clearly see your children at all stages of night and day. You have the ability to do all the things that you have to do without any impediment. You're not having to reach for glasses at night when you need to go do something. If a child wakes up screaming or crying or whatever, and you have to go take care of them, you don't have to find your glasses. Or when an emergency hits, you don't have to find your glasses or put in your contacts. Been there. LASIK surgery, well, I'll just say laser vision correction because there are multiple disciplines to this. Laser vision correction has changed my life, and it will change your life. I highly, highly suggest that you look at Woolfson Eye Institute to do the work. And it doesn't matter where you are in the United States. I highly suggest that you get on an airplane. And actually, Woolfson Eye Institute has an office near the airport in Atlanta, so you can get to them. I highly suggest you get this done. Have a pre-op consult done. Take the test that's on the website that asks some basic questions of you to see if you're a candidate for laser vision correction. And it will truly change your life for the better. And one more time, like I said before, when you're doctor shopping and you're talking about laser vision correction, there is a benefit-risk asymmetry when it comes to eye surgery. Do not go price shopping. You need to go specialist shopping. And Dr. Woolfson and the doctors of the Woolfson Eye Institute are specialists in what they do. So I would say to you, consider them first to have your work done, because as a 49-year-old man that has pretty much his entire life been stuck to some form of vision correction, I now have complete freedom to do whatever I want, whenever I want. And guys, it's wonderful. This is a big deal. This has changed my life, and I know that it will change your life if you'll get it done. It will completely free you. The last thing that I will leave you with is this. You saw me do this earlier to look at my watch. When I was wearing my contact lenses, I was accustomed to this distance to be able to see things clearly. Right here, I can clearly see my watch. It says 11:05. I can clearly see that. Because now my vision is set for distance, I am now committed to reading glasses. But that's something that I was already having to deal with anyways with contact lenses, because the option for me was reading glasses so I could see clearly with my contact lenses in, or take my contact lenses out. But then my astigmatism picked up so bad that images had a halo effect or a double vision, and when I'm making slings, I have to clearly see where that needle is going. Otherwise, your stitching is going to end up all kinds of cracker dog, or I'm going to end up poking myself in the finger. So it was damned if I did and damned if I didn't. So for me, this was a no-brainer. To have my vision set for distance was a no-brainer, because this is my world right here. This is what I do. Please consider at least having a consult done. Please consider potentially looking at the next page in the next chapter in your life, because it truly will change your life. It will free you. The reason they have you take your cell phone into the surgical suite when this is being done is they say, when you come out, you're going to be so floored at how great your vision has suddenly become, that we want to take a photograph at that moment with you and Dr. Woolfson, so that in the future you will at least have it, instead of going, oh, I really wish I'd gotten that photograph. And this is me literally 45 seconds after the surgery. And that smile on my face is the real deal. As always, I thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. Get those guns out in practice and check out Woolfson Eye Institute. Have a good one.